Action! Hey guys, it's me, Rick. What's up, everyone? Alright, cut. Hello, everyone. My name is Rick. I'm with City Blossoms and Ilegal Mezcal. And today we're going to be making a Mezcal 75, which is a take on a French 75, but with Mezcal. So what you're going to need is some Mezcal, some Prosecco, lime juice or citrus in general, some simple syrup, a flute, some limes, a potato peeler, and some ice. And bar tools if you have them. I have shaker tins and some strainers. Let's go ahead and get started. So here's how you make the drink. You're going to do an ounce of Mezcal, half ounce of simple, half ounce of citrus, some ice. Here's the fun part, shaking the drink. You're going to want to shake for about, I like to do 10 seconds. Take your strainers, strain into the glass. Take your Prosecco, open it. You can measure out 2 ounces, or you can just pour until your heart says to stop. That's what I like to do. Just wait for the foam to go down. To garnish, just take your lime, make a peel. You could get fancy with it and cut it, but I'm not fancy. Needs more Prosecco. And there you have it. Classic Mezcal 75. Refreshing, celebratory, it's really good. Oh. Good for every occasion, especially sipping in the garden. I'd like to thank Ilegal and City Blossoms for letting me do this. This was fun. Happy Spirit Week. Drink responsibly and stay safe out there. I'm gonna make 6 more of these. Just kidding.